Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This video is about BIONANOGENOMICS, ticker symbol BNGO. I previously made a video on this particular stock when it was around $8.5 to $9. I think they had a share offering. I made the video and this is the second time I'm making the video, and I think currently we are sitting around 11.7. So I will not go through this particular stock, what it does, what it does not, but it's a genetics related stocks, and there are different type of rumor or could be buying, or you can search the news. Like I do not go through all the news, rather I look at the technical chart. So in this video I'll talk about the technical chart pattern, where the stock is heading, what are the good news, and at what price point you should buy, and what price we're expecting in near term. So stay tuned with me. And also, if you do not like this video, or if you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you look at the price chart, it was like $1, then it went up to $6, came down, it went again like $10 stock offering, came down, and again it went up, and currently the stock is consolidating around this area. You can see between $11 and $12.5. So when the stock is consolidating after a huge run, this is good. It means that it is preparing for the next run. So I will talk more about the price action, what we are anticipating for this particular stock. But let's see some news for this stock. Yeah, so I think today, like end of the day, one news came that they will be presenting in a conference on February 18th. I remember like NNDM presented in a conference, and they presented some good stuff, and the stock had a rally. So I haven't gone through the entire news, but whenever there is a conference or something, normally the share price loves to go up. So read the article, and it's happening, the conference is going to happen on February 18th. Also another news came, I think this morning, and just because of that the stock price went up in the morning, and that's a very big news because I think Penn State Institute, they talked about personalized medicine for oncology market. So again, a great news. If you are long term on this particular stock, please go through this news. This is a very good news, and it's a game changer. Also another news came, I think 9th of February. It talks about in Canada, like another partnership, so you can also go through the news. So just want to show you quickly on NASDAQ, like currently it has a strong buy with an average price target of $11 and a high of $15. And if you look at the price action for last few days, you can see the stock price was 10.5. it went up, consolidated, again came down, right to went up. So you can see, right, and today in the morning it went up very high, it came down, and again it is trying to go up. So this is the chart pattern. Now let's look at the big thing. You see massive run up, some kind of consolidation, and again another run up, some kind of consolidation happening now. And I think the stock price, as I said, like moving between like $11 and $13, which is good. But the most important thing I want to show you, that you see the black line, even though it is consolidating, but it's a bull flag, right? So the high of the flag is this particular line, 12.67. it was hit like once, twice. I thought it might hit today, but it didn't happen. But again, you can see with time it is squeezing at, I think at one point before March, or maybe before end of the March, and then it will just break out and it will go another leg. It can go up to $15, $17, $18, or even $20. So look at the numbers here, 12.6, then we have 13.14, 13.8, even more. So if you see the price is holding this particular line, then you can just buy some share or option. So yesterday when there was a dip, you see the red candle, I purchased 100 share. This morning when it went up to like 12.3, I sold everything. Then again, end of the day, when I saw that line came to that particular black line, I repurchased those 100 share, what you call like rinse and repeat. So again, when it might go up again, I might sell and then I can hold, or again, it's up to you how you want to play a day trade or swing trade or long-term investor. What about option? If you look at March 19 expiry, because I think it will break out before March 19, and you can see the premium for 11 or $12. The premium is $274, which means the break even is $14. So if you want, you can go with 11, 12, or even $13. But you see the difference is not that much, and looking at the delta, maybe 12 is a good one. Yeah, maybe I'll go with $12. But anyway, I'm playing with share for this particular stock. Whenever there is a dip happening, I'm just buying more dips. I'm not playing with option, even though I like to play with option. If you want to give it more time, maybe you can go up to 21st of May, and you can choose like $13 or $14 strike price. Again, it's up to you, but I would not say like go to June. Like just play with March. I think it will break out before March 19th, or just play with regular shares. So a very quick video. I just wanted to show you how the price is moving and following a trend. So if you see and believe the trend will happen, it's a bull flag, then I think we will see for few days we will see a breakout. Also, let's look at a daily level, RSI and MACD. The MACD, you can see the blue line is down. Maybe it will take few more days within that triangle, and maybe you can see a reversal. Also, the RSI can come down a little bit, then it can go up. Remember, the RSI went up to 98 for this particular stock, so it might just move sideways, then it can again go up. Also, look at the earning, which will be 18th of March. So again, like if you want to play with option, you can go with 19th of March. Anyway, so this particular video is about BNGO, its price movement, and what you should be doing. If you think the information is helpful to you, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get ready for tomorrow, and take care, my friends. Peace.